In this video, you are going to see which is the best mobile phone to buy among these three devices: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, the Samsung Galaxy S25, or the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. If you're confused and don't want to waste money on your phone you don't actually need, then this is the final verdict you have been waiting for. I'm going to break down which phone wins in every department and explain exactly why. So let's get started. First, talking about the display, there is no doubt that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus clearly wins here. This phone comes with a bigger screen and a better screen to body ratio, resulting in very thin bezels. It also offers a higher brightness nits, allowing you to use it comfortably even in bright outdoor conditions. If you want a high quality panel with a larger display, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is the best choice. Next is the chipset and heating during heavy tasks. Again, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus takes the lead. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chip, which is built to handle anything you throw at it. It even features an internal vapor cooling chamber to keep the phone running cooler for a long time. So the S25 Plus is the best choice here. Now, if we look at the cameras, both the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 are identical, leaving us Samsung Galaxy S25 FE in last place. While all three phones share the same core features, the two flagship models include premium additions like autofocus for the front-facing camera and other features like S-Log and etc. that are missing on the FE series. So for the cameras, the S25 Plus and S25 are on the same level. Next is battery capacity and charging speeds. Both the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE now feature the same battery capacity and the same 45 watts wide charging speed. This isn't the case for the standard Samsung Galaxy S25, which comes with a 4000 mAh battery and slower 25 watts charging speed. However, due to the more efficient chipset, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus actually lasts slightly longer than the S25 FE. When it comes to the wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, the experience is the same across all three mobile phones. Now let's look at some extra features you will notice while using these phones side by side. First is the weight. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 FE weigh about the same at 190 grams, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 is much lighter at 162 grams. For durability, the S25 Plus and S25 use Gorilla Glass Victus 2, whereas the S25 FE uses the older Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Another key difference is the security. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE uses an optical fingerprint scanner, while the other two flagships features a superior ultrasonic scanner. There are other variations in storage, RAM and Wi-Fi that you can decide based on your personal needs. So for the final verdict, if I want to choose one mobile phone, if I want a device that lasts me for about 4 to 5 years, I would definitely choose the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and skip the other two mobile phones. My reasons are very straightforward here, guys. I want a bigger display to multitask and switch between apps quickly. I need that extra brightness for outdoors use comfortably, and I want the better chipset to avoid abnormal heating. So for my specific use case scenarios, here the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is the perfect fit apart from other two devices. Let me know in the comments which one would you choose. Also, don't forget to check the description box and the pinned comment for my previous testing videos on these mobile phones. Before I go, if you enjoy this, don't forget to smash that like, share and subscribe button for more unbiased and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.